Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the DUCKY token. Now this is a brand new token that's getting a very big central exchange listing. This token is on the BASECHAIN. The Solana meme tokens and the BASECHAIN meme tokens have been very popular these days. So here's another brand new one that has potential, and we're going to go over the security on this token. We're going to look for any red flags, any potential scam risks or things like that, check for audits, all that type of stuff. And we're going to go over the info on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, DUCKY. So you can find them on BaseScan. They have a max total supply of 5,500,000,000 tokens. Ticker symbol is DCM. 5 holders so far because this token is not available anywhere yet. And 18 decimal places on this token. So this token here is going to be listed April 1st, 12 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search DCM, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they have a web page, DUCKY.city. And if you want to find their full white paper, that's available on their web page as well, and that will take you over to docs.ducky.city, and that is their full document section. So since this is on the BaseChain, probably around the same time it gets listed on MEXC Global, this token will most likely also go over to Uniswap for purchase, possibly SushiSwap. You'll be able to get it most likely by funding your Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, bridging it to the BaseChain, and then trading your base for the Ducky token using the contract address that you could find at ducky.city. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. And yeah, so there is a huge document section about the whole project here. It has all sorts of information about their play-to-earn game, the maps, tokenomics, VIP passes, their island NFT collection, Ducky avatars. So welcome to Ducky City, where fantasy meets reality. Immerse yourself in this revolutionary dApp that combines GameFi, Metaverse, and SocialFi. Connect boundlessly, earn endlessly, and make the virtual world your oyster. Join us now for this incredible journey, and you can play now on their webpage, ducky.city. So they have Play to Airdrop 2.0, P2A. So it says, we are excited to announce that Ducky City Play to Airdrop 2.0 has been launched. The Airdrop 2.0 event will start March 15th and go all the way to March 29th. So that is obviously over now because it's the 31st. And so they have, they airdropped 100 million tokens. So it says 50% of the airdrop reward will be unlocked at TGE. The remaining will be unlocked gradually over 3 months. So they had this airdrop. We won't talk about that too much because that's already over. But if you received an airdrop, then you could read all about why or how, or all the info is on their document section about that airdrop. And so they have the season 0 called Lunar New Year. And this is the pre-mainnet version before the mainnet version. Ducky City Season 1 Fishing is released. So you can learn all about their Lunar New Year airdrop, and then their Lunar New Year season. And then after that will be the fishing season coming soon. And then they have maps here about farms. So it says plants. You will need to buy seeds before you start farming. Kind of looks like Farmville, or what's that other very popular one? I don't play much games, but it's right on the tip of my tongue. Leave it in the comments down there. It looks like that. I just saw a board game of it too. I can't remember what it is. But anyways, just woke up. Brain's not working yet. I'll remember as soon as I finish this video, I bet. So they go over basically how to farm. They show you what Ducky City looks like. That's going to eat at my brain until I remember what it is. Not Farmville, that's one of them, but leave a comment down there what it is. And then they have a sea map as well. And let's just skip down to the tokenomics here. So they have 2 different tokens here. They have the main token, the Ducky City token, the DCM one. That's the one getting listed on MEXC Global, ERC20 Standard on the base chain. And so this token can be used to vote on project milestones based on the amount of DCM owned, so like a governance token for DAO voting. Staking, you can stake the token to earn prizes, and then can use to buy certain in-game items with it, and certain in-game events as well. And then they have the DCE token, which is the Ducky City Earn token. So that one's unlimited supply, also on the base chain, and can be used to buy certain in-game items, reward for play to earn, and upgrade items in the game. So they have the VIP passes. You can buy those with Ethereum. So there's premium ones that are 0.012 ETH each, VIP ones 0.03 ETH, and then VIP 2 and 3, those ones are sold out already, it says. So they have how to buy. They go through all that on their document section if you're interested in a VIP pass. They also have their NFT collections. They look like different land you could buy there. And then they also have the Ducky avatars, Ducky SoFi, airdrops, and social section. So check it all out. docs.ducky.city is where you can find all the info. And you can find this project newly listed on MEXC Global, brand new token. And you'll also be able to check out like the chart on Dex Screener or Dex Tools once it goes live. Just search it in the base chain section by using the contract address or just looking up the name. Just make sure you have the right contract address and right token. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.